Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about a little thing called payday loans. But before I get started on that, go ahead and scroll down just a little bit and click the subscribe button so you get notifications of when I post. But okay, so payday loans. Okay. I hate them. They're the worst things in the entire world, but I'm going to start from the very beginning. So, until about a year and a half, 2 years ago, I had heard of payday loans, but I wasn't sure what exactly a payday loan was, or how it worked or anything like that. I just knew you could go in and basically get money fast if you needed it. So I work for a nonprofit here in Texas, and they have been very active in this whole payday loan thing of trying to get people out of it, trying to get payday loan businesses regulated and stuff like that. And so I've learned so much more. So I kind of wanted to educate you guys a little bit, since I know a lot of you are on extremely tight budgets and you don't have a lot of money. I want to make sure that this is not a resource that you ever go to and you never, you literally never ever have to have or do. So basically, for what you do for a payday loan, you go in and basically you go in for money, and you obviously anyway, so you use your paychecks as collateral, so they have access to your bank account and you get a loan from them. A payday loan typically is a smaller loan. It's like $1,000 and under about. And then if you do an auto title loan, those are larger loans. So you put up your car for collateral, or your car title basically. So they hold on to that. So if you don't make your loan, they take your car from you. Payday loan, if you don't pay them back, they take literally all your money out of your bank account. That's how that works. So I didn't really understand what was so bad about that, I guess, until my organization started working more closely with all of it and kind of educating us on these payday loans. And they were a lot of the reason why a lot of our clients were, needing help with food and utilities and clothing and stuff, because they didn't have any money, because all their money went to their payday loans. And so what's so bad about payday loans that I did not realize until this whole thing started was that, okay, so say I needed a loan. I needed money. We had some medical emergency. I did not have an emergency fund. I didn't have any of that. I was bad with my money. I went and got an auto title loan. So, because we needed a big chunk of cash. So we needed $4,000. Okay. So we go in, we give them our car title, and they give us $4,000. So every 2 weeks, we now owe them, let's say, $500. So every 2 weeks, they're going to take $500 out of our bank account. And so we're just going to keep doing that until we can pay it off. No, that's not how that works. So where they catch you is, so I'm putting, say for 2 months, I'm putting $500, $500, $500. So that would be $2,000 that I would have paid off my $4,000 loan. That's not, no. You just paid $2,000 and none of your principal went down. You still owe $4,000. They don't regulate it. They're not regulated at all. So they have, in Texas, we are one of the highest interest rates that they charge here. It can be 500% to 700% interest. And so all your payment is going towards that, and you're not paying off your loan at all. And they give these loans to anyone. So they know that this person who's coming to get their loan will probably default on it, and they will get all their money or their vehicle. So it doesn't matter if you don't have any income at all, they'll still give you the loan, kind of thing. So that's the worst thing about it, is that, so since we got out a $4,000 loan, we have to come up with $4,000 to pay it off. You have to pay it off in a lump sum. You can't pay it off over time. you pay it at once. So you can keep paying your $500, but your principal is just staying there. Like you're just paying, and it's staying there. Nothing's happening. And that's what's causing a lot of people to be homeless, not have any money, go into poverty and all that kind of stuff. It's horrible, you guys. Like, please, for the love, do not ever, under any circumstances, get a payday loan or an auto title loan. Go to friends, your church, find a nonprofit organization to help you, something. But do not ever go and get yourself in this mess. Like, it is just, you go round and round, and it's so extremely hard to get out of once you're in. So please don't ever, ever get a payday loan. We had a client who basically was the exact same example that I just said. She got a $4,000 loan for her car. She put her car up for collateral, got a $4,000 loan for medical bills, I think, and she has now paid $4,000 to the payday loan people, and she still owes $4,000 on that loan. So say she randomly got $4,000 today and paid it off, she would have just paid $8,000 for a $4,000 loan. Like, that just blows my mind. And there's no way she will ever be able to come up with $4,000 because all her money is going to her loan. So you can't even save up that much money to pay it off. You get what I'm saying? So anyways, I kind of want to just get on here and educate you guys a little bit about what goes on all of this. The CFPB just passed that's the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, I'm pretty sure, something like that, just passed or are trying to pass some sort of regulation for this so that the payday loan people have to take in consideration of whether this person that comes in can actually pay off this loan or not. Right now, that's not something they take into consideration at all. They do not care what your expenses are, what your income is, whatever, they'll give you the money kind of thing. That's why it's quick cash. So that now they're trying to pass a regulation where they have to do that, and they're trying to pass a regulation to where at least part of your payment every 2 weeks or whatever it is, part of that has to go to pay down the principal. So right now what us Americans need to do is get onto that site. I can't remember what it is. I'll try to link it down below if I remember, and comment on it and basically say, yes, like this needs to happen. Payday loans are horrible. They're so bad. Like, I vote yes that we need to do this, because the payday loan people are going to be fighting hard on this. Guys, they are so dang rich. Like, I watched a thing where they said that there are more payday loan businesses in Texas than Starbucks, McDonald's, what was the third one? Oh shoot, now I can't remember. Anyways, all those combined, that's how many are in the state of Texas. It's absolutely insane. And they just are making billions and billions of dollars off our lower income families, and it's awful, and it's an awful practice. And so anyways, yeah, I just wanted to talk to y'all about that. And if you would like to go comment, you can leave me a comment down below and I can send you the link or whatever, email me, whatever you want to do. I just wanted to educate you guys on what's going on, and since this is kind of a little bit of a budget channel and I talk about money and stuff, I thought this was an appropriate topic to talk about. Let me know down in the comments below if you've heard any of these horror stories of these payday loans and stuff like that, or what you know about it. I'm definitely willing to talk to y'all about it. So anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this was a little bit informative, and yeah, just let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions and I'll answer them. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.